Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to import a demo content of Blusho Beauty and Cosmetics WooCommerce WordPress theme. In the beginning, for this we need to go to the appearance, then theme to add new theme. Click on upload theme, and for choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Now click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Instantly, you will get several required plugins to begin installing plugins. Click on this and select all the plugins to install. Now click on apply. While done, click on return to required plugin installer. Then select again all of them to activate. Click on apply. Now return to the dashboard. Go to the appearance and then import demo data. This is the interface of it. You will get two types of import, auto and manual. According to this, you will get several predefined home pages. You can try any one of it. For importing this, click on continue and import. While your demo is imported successfully, click on visit site. Here it is. Blusho is a modern, stylish, lightweight, SEO-friendly WooCommerce WordPress theme that is for creating cosmetic shop, fashion store, beauty stores, spa products online, salon equipments, makeup kits, e-commerce gift stores, clothing store, and many more. Additionally, it features a lucrative shop, product details, and other essential pages that a WooCommerce theme must have. Blusho comes with 5 stunning home pages that are ideal for beauty products, cosmetic makeup, eye care, lip care, neck creams, and wellness store. Blusho comes with 17 different shop pages layout to help you provide customers with enhanced navigation and shopping experience. Hence, with so many powerful features, Blusho can satisfy your needs. It contains some excellent features like WooCommerce currency switcher, sales notification, buy now button, sticky add to cart, add to wish list, quick view, compare, and more to help you attract prospects, convert them into paying customers, and boost conversions. So don't miss and get it today. Thank you for watching.